KV Varlu from iCar Service. Today we are going to see wonderful video about XUV 700 car painting. Please share, like and subscribe. It will boost us and encourage us to make entertainment videos on automobile service. If you are not done yet, kindly do. This is interior of the automotive paint adds blink to the car and makes it a shiny as new looking car. The automotive painting process can be divided into three stages. Stage 1 is applying the primer. The primer helps in leveling the surface of the body. This is paint mixing machine. Color preparation. Stage 2 is spraying the base coat. Post the primer, the base coat is sprayed to the surface of the car. Stage 3 is spraying the clear coat. This is the final coat. See you soon. Thanks for watching.